Premier League 2024-25 Match Day 18 Thursday 26 December at 20:30. Match Preview. Wolves vs Manchester United. Stadium Molyneux Stadium. Capacity 32,050. Wolves' last three match. Match 1, Premier League 2024-25, Leicester 0, 3 Wolves. Match 2, Premier League 2024-25, Wolves 1, 2 Ipswich Town. Match 3, Premier League 2024-25, West Ham 2, 1 Wolves. Manchester United last three match. Match 1, Premier League 2024-25, Manchester United 0, 3 Bournemouth. Match 2, FA Cup Quarter-Finals 2024-25, Tottenham 4, 3 Manchester United. Match 3, Premier League 2024-25, Manchester City 1, to Manchester United. Head-to-head last three match. Match 1, Premier League 2024 Wolves 3, 4 Manchester United. Match 2, Premier League 2023 Manchester United 1, 0 Wolves. Match 3, Premier League 2023 Manchester United 2, 0 Wolves. Season so far Wolves. Position 18, match play 17, 3 win, 3 drawn, 11 lost, point 12. Season so far Manchester United. Position 13, match play 17, 6 win, 4 drawn, 7 lost, point 22. Head-to-head all-time record. Wolves win 26. Draws 20. Manchester United win 52. Manager Vitor Pereira. Possible lineups Wolves 3-6-1. Manager Ben Amorim. Possible lineups Manchester United 3-6-1. Who do you think will win this football match, Wolves or Manchester United? Do you think there will be draws? Please put your opinion on the comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button.